Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not Newton offers margin trading or short selling. I've been getting a lot of questions about this lately, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what margin trading and short selling are. Margin trading is a type of financing that allows you to borrow money from your broker to invest in stocks or other securities. This can be a great way to leverage your investment and potentially make more money. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved with margin trading. If the value of your investments falls, you could lose more money than you invested. Short selling is a type of trading strategy that involves selling a stock that you don't own. You do this by borrowing the stock from your broker and then selling it on the open market. If the price of the stock falls, you can buy it back at a lower price and make a profit. However, if the price of the stock rises, you will lose money. Newton. Now that we have a better understanding of margin trading and short selling, let's talk about Newton. Newton is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers a variety of services, including margin trading and short selling. Margin trading on Newton. Newton offers margin trading on a number of different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The maximum leverage you can use is 5x. To start margin trading on Newton, you will need to create an account and deposit at least $100. Once you have done that, you can enable margin trading in your account settings. Short selling on Newton. Newton also offers short selling on a number of different cryptocurrencies. The maximum leverage you can use is 5x. To start short selling on Newton, you will need to create an account and deposit at least $100. Once you have done that, you can enable short selling in your account settings. Risks of margin trading and short selling. It's important to be aware of the risks involved with margin trading and short selling before you start using these features. Margin trading. If the value of your investments falls, you could lose more money than you invested. The maximum amount you can lose is equal to your initial investment plus any interest you owe on the borrowed money. Short selling. If the price of the stock you short rises, you will lose money. The maximum amount you can lose is unlimited. Newton offers margin trading and short selling on a number of different cryptocurrencies. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved with these features before you start using them. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you next time.